What's going on, boaters? We just got in a fresh new trade, a 2008 Chaparral 224. This boat is in really good condition still. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the back, you have your bench seat. Super comfortable for when you're parked swimming, watching the grandkids or the kids swim. Coming into the boat, you have a sink, and then your battery switch is going to be super easy to get at in here, along with your trash as well. This boat does have a private head on it, right in front of the passenger seat. Coming over to the dash, you have only 545 hours on this boat, but there's so much life left in it. You also are gonna get your bow door, so when you're coming across the lake at night, you can stay nice and warm. This boat is rated for 10 people, so bring your family and friends on board for a full day on the water. Coming to the front, you have a lot of seating up here. Super comfortable, easy to talk to all day long. Then another feature is you are gonna have your swim ladder off the front, so when you're parked at the sandbar, makes it super easy to get in and out. And then you also have your shower head up here, spray off those feet before you get in the boat. You're gonna wanna come check this boat out at MarineMax Crosslake or visit it on our website. Let's get you on the water this summer.